Struggling to figure out existing code in your org? Copado Org Intelligence understands your Salesforce environment in real time and quickly helps you create code aligning with your org metadata, accelerating development time by 50%. Imagine you've just been assigned a user story to implement validation rules for a critical business process, and users need this fast. Developers can spend hours navigating the org codebase just to understand existing functionality and avoid breaking it or creating duplicates. Where do you begin? With the Copado AI extension installed in VS Code, you can start by requesting an implementation plan for your user story. First, Copado AI taps into your ALM project, pulling complete requirement details from your user stories, and then scans your dev org metadata, analyzing your account handlers and triggers, which are relevant to this requirement. Even better, it pulls details about your custom fields and objects. This means you get responses tailored specifically to your org and your requirements. The result? A complete and actionable implementation plan showing exactly which code methods to create and update. Ready to streamline code creation? Let's now ask Copado AI to generate the code and validate it. Now looking at the changes implemented, we'll find the new logic that got created to meet the user story requirements. You get confirmation that code passed deployment validation successfully. No surprises, no failed deployments. Next step is to review the generated code and customize as needed. The best part is that it's already built following best practices and team-specific guidelines added to your Copado AI workspace. Need detailed unit tests? Simply ask Copado AI to boost your code coverage by creating unit tests and testing them directly in your org. While Copado AI creates your unit tests, it simultaneously runs them in your org. Plus, you get full visibility with results you can inspect right in Salesforce. Mission accomplished. Copado AI just created 10 new test methods and validated that your user story requirements align with the new code and unit tests. From business requirements to production-ready code in record speed. What traditionally would take hours of repetitive coding, multiple deployment attempts, and countless validation errors is now a streamlined AI-guided process that generates tested, org-aligned code that developers can deploy confidently. This is just one capability within Copado's AI platform that helps teams deliver faster, with higher quality and less risk. Imagine what your team could accomplish by quickly implementing changes, allowing them to focus on getting the design and architecture right the first time. That's the power of Copado AI.